So we have this question from PCE 2002, question 23, where we are asked if P equal to bracket open 2 theory, 1 theory bracket close, and Q equal to bracket open 1 theory, 2, 1 bracket close. Then the matrix PQ is, quickly we write solution. So we dive into this, write solution. PQ simply means P multiplied by Q. So we write PQ is equal to bracket open 2 3 1 3 bracket close, and our matrix Q is bracket open 1 3 2 1 bracket close. This is equal to, in multiplication of matrix, what we do is that we multiply our rows by our columns. So we open a bracket, we'll have 2 times 1 plus 3 times 2. Next we have 2 times 3 plus 3 times 1. Move down and we have 1 times 1 plus 3 times 2. We have 1 times 3 plus 3 times 1. Bracket close. Now all this is equal to bracket open 2 times 1. We have 2 plus 3 times 2 gives us 6. Next we have 2 times 3 gives us 6 plus 3 times 1 gives us 3. 1 times 1 we have 1 plus 3 times 2 we have 6. And 3 times 1 or 1 times 3, rather we have 3 plus 3 times 1 we have 3 bracket close equal to bracket open 2 plus 6 gives us 8. 6 plus 3 gives us 9. 1 plus 6 gives us 7. 3 plus 3 gives us 6 bracket close. Therefore our answer is equal to bracket open 8 9 7 6 bracket close. Thank you.